Look here. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mom. Look here. The treat. Look at that. Good. Drop it. What kind of girl are you, huh? ABC Easter out of ABC Carlos. You are. Okay, there's your baby. Everybody touch your baby. Hey, Mom. So you're standing on the biggest standardbred harness racing farm in the state. Breeding farm, 700 acres, 143 babies. Looking at 2 world-renowned thoroughbred farms. Come here, Beth. Come here. Hey, Mama. Hey, look here. Huh? What do you think? How about you? You social? That's for you. That's for you. That's good. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Good girl. Good girl. Only lonely. You know, when I told you, if you ask Steve what's the difference between a thoroughbred and a standardbred, he'll say at least 1-0, right? But don't let him kid you. I think they're averaging like $15,000 and up. So she's remembering who you are. Let's see. Watch. She may think you got an apple. Let me let you feed her.
There, baby.
A little skittish.
Guys, right here, this stall here is probably one of the most famous stalls in the world. All these horses stood in this stall: Unbridled, Easy Goer, Secretariat, and Bold Ruler all stood in this stall right here. Bold Ruler was Secretariat's father. This is Orb. He was born and raised here. He's out of an unbridled mare by Malibu Moon. And then he came back here to stand stud. He won $2.6 million on the racetrack. Won the Kentucky Derby last year, this guy did. Now, if you want to pet him, get your picture taken with him, stay away from his back feet. I won't let him bite anybody. You can come right up here, pet him on the shoulder and neck, and get your picture taken with him.
Want to go?
Stay outside all night. That's their summer schedule. Now during the winter, we do it a little different. We turn them out during the day and bring them up at night. And that's the whole farm. That's not just these stallions. It's everything. They get a lot of time outside, and that makes them a little happier horse by being able to go out as much as they do. It keeps his breath fresh for his girlfriends too. Okay.
Where's the other one?
3 graded 1 stakes winners. Stud fee was $125,000 for breeding money. But this horse, the reason he's so mean and ornery is because he raced in the Kentucky Derby back in 1988. He let a girl beat him in the Kentucky Derby. He's held a grudge ever since. No. But he'll actually, I can usually get him to count for a peppermint. Count for a peppermint? Count. This guy gets treated just like the other guys. He comes in, gets cleaned up every day. He'll go out when the other guys go out. He'll stay right here into the stall till he passes away, and he'll be buried down here in the cemetery. 29 years old now. Recognizes my voice. I take care of this horse every day. He's the second meanest stallion down here. This horse is not mean unless he gets mad about something. Then he'll try to hurt you. I mean, he knows how to do it. But the horse that was in, he had a famous son that raced on the racetrack, and his name was Blaine. Now, Blaine won the Breeders' Cup Classic in 2010 and done something no other horse could do, and that was beat Zenyatta. Blame is the other horse I'm going to bring out for you to see up here. But this horse is, this is Blame's dad. And I got him a little spoiled. He'll actually open his door for Peppermint. You got to watch him because he'll try to open the slat also. He's almost too smart for his own good. Come here, boy.
Uh-huh. You can tell to do that.
Now this guy is breeding the top mares in the world now at $150,000. He breeds 100 mares a year. This guy brings in $15 million a year in stud fees. The last share that sold in him brought $2.2 million, so that makes this horse value at over $80 million. He said, I don't have to put my ears up. But this guy is breeding horses like Javier de Grace. He bred Zenyatta last year. Zenyatta had a warfront baby this year. Their filly that's by him was born this year on Easter Sunday. And Blame here's won more money than any horse down here on the racetrack. This guy won over $4.3 million on the racetrack. The only horse ever to beat Zenyatta. And his stud fee is $30,000 to breed to him. He breeds a little over 100 mares every year. His first crop of 2-year-olds are starting to run this year. He's already had one win and he's had one finished second, so he's off to a good start. He won the Stephen Foster Stakes, the Whitney Stakes. He was second in the Jockey Gold Cup, and then in 2010 he won the Breeders' Cup Classic. When they done the autopsy on him, they estimated his heart at 21 pounds. Now, a typical thoroughbred heart is 7 or 8 pounds, so it's about almost 3 times bigger than a normal size heart.